Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to crochet this mini border. It's a picot border. It's very easy, it's quick, and it's very beautiful. Let's get started. I worked my border on a linen fabric, and I used a crochet thread. It's a size 10. This is just crochet thread. Either you use a size 10 or 8. A 125mm crochet hook and a tiny needle. Make sure that your crochet hook goes easily through the fabric. If not, choose a smaller size. Insert your hook into the fabric. Attach the thread with a slip stitch or a slip knot. Single crochet in the same place as the slip stitch. Chain 3, single crochet in the last single crochet you've just worked. This is our first picot. Let's work the second one. Leave a space of about 1 chain, single crochet into your fabric, chain 3 to make your picot, single crochet in the single crochet you've just crocheted. That's our second picot. Leave a space of about 1 chain and continue working. Single crochet, chain 3, single crochet into the single crochet you just worked. Repeat the same instructions all the way along your crochet project. Finish your border with a slip stitch. Fasten off. Take off your hook from your work. Use your needle to weave in ends. Please check out the written pattern to this easy picot border for beginners in the description box below this video. I hope you've learned something from this quick tutorial. See you next time. Bye.